Hi. Today we're going to tell you about how does invalid traffic impact the AdMob account. Let's get started. Google AdMob uses a system to monitor its accounts and detect invalid activities and traffic. If a high number of these activities are detected, then the account might be suspended without any payout. AdMob suspension means that publishers can no longer serve ads. The remaining payout is determined by the invalid costs incurred by the advertisers. If Google discovers that an AdMob account is serving ads with invalid traffic, it will restrict the account to only serving ads for a certain period, which is usually 30 days. To ensure that the ads are being served properly, the publishers must first investigate the source of the traffic and fix the issue. Due to the nature of AdMob's account suspensions, it is not always possible to appeal them. Therefore, publishers have to follow the suspension and ensure that the traffic generated through their mobile app is clean. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.